daddy finger?
Yes. Lucy. Yellow. Red.
Ooh, who's that?
Mother. Sucker.
Trying to get the first one, and I did. Look at the serial number. I put that.
Yay! Good job, Mama! Happy Sunday! We're vlogging again, but this time we're gonna do weekly vlogs.
You're gonna do it?
I wanna do it.
Oh, did Lena text you today at all?
Yeah.
Did she tell you what she was telling? She was like this. Lookbook, guys. Lookbook, damn. Hey, slow down. It's more like Penny takes us on a walk. Not we take her on a walk. She gets crazy. Seriously. She pooped? Took it like a champ. I thought I'd show you that.
Good morning. Hi, can I just get a Chick-fil-A biscuit with a frosted coffee? Small?
A Chick-fil-A biscuit. Anything else for you today?
Nope, that'll be all.
Alright, 764 is your total out the window.
Thank you.
We're at Costco.
We're at Costco. We're gonna go shopping.
Adult shopping.
Pizza or chicken? So I just finished editing a video and I'm really tired. Happy Monday. Hey guys.
We're recording today.
Oh my god.
And your battery's dead.
That battery's dead too, but
That battery's dead too.
all the battery's dead.
She
so we're
always
just
forgets to
kind of like
charge.
waiting. Yeah, I know, it's really bad.
She forgot to charge.
But-
She never charges.
We got a big group here tonight. Larson Jeweler. Welcome to our class. Thank you, everybody. Absolutely. You got any music in front of you?
Masterpiece ever. I want you guys to know this. I am Van Gogh. See her. But I forget her. I am Picasso.
Makes us have a little bit more fun.
Marijuana!
We're 35.
You hacked into the mainframe.
Alright, this is the hardest part. Ready? I'm colorblind.
Just
So,
a little bit.
I need help.
Oh my god, your phone has paint.
Yeah. Aprons on the chair. Aprons on the chair.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Intros are so difficult. Alright guys, so I'm with Judith. She's visiting from Mexico and we're gonna go grab lunch right now. Let's see.
So we have the Rosa, the Bianco.
That's good. Thank you.
Take a picture, yes. Well, I'm having the chicken scampi, and it is $2.
And I'm having the same thing.
Portavita Bianco wine.
Nice. Perfect pair.
Italian wine. Here.
Ew.
Ew.
Fingers.
It's fingers?
Whoa. Ew. Daddy.
No, a shark. Not doggy.
Ew, ew, ew.
Oh, you need a wipe?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you spilled, huh? Just use this for now. Good job. High five. Yeah.
Oh, dizzy girl.
More please. More.
More.
More please.
Okay. She gets in position. Okay, ready? Wait. Walk to me. You're gonna fall off the bed.
Yep. You put pink on it?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Wow. Pretty girl. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It's really loud. Me and Penny are going to the beach and walk around for an hour. Then I have to go back and take care of Lila. And then I'm going to one of Carlos's friends' engagement party. So today should be fun. Hello. Better. Me and Carlos are waiting in the car for his friends to show up because we know like one person in this engagement party and it's the groom.
That's it.
So we're like, we should wait for the friends. That's the house.